Good morning, students. Today we're going to do exercise 1.2, question number 1 to question number 6. So let us start. Question number 1 says, just a minute. Question number 1 says, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of the tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third, and the final day was 1094, 1812, 2050, 2751. You have to find out the total number of the tickets sold on all the 4 days. So whenever we are talking about the total number, that means we have to do the addition. So a book exhibition was held for how many days? 4 days. And the number of the tickets sold on the counter on the first, second, third, and the fourth day were given as these much. These are the number of the tickets sold on the respective days 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have to find out the total number of the tickets for all the 4 days. That means I have to add the tickets for all these days. So what I will going to do, I will going to do the addition here. Okay, and my summation will come out to be 7,707. Question number 2. Question number 2 says, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in a test matches. How many runs? 6,980 runs in a test matches. He wished to complete 10,000 runs. How many runs he want to complete? 10,000 runs. But till now he has only completed 6,980 runs. So how many more runs does he need? To know how many more runs does he need, we will going to do the subtraction. We will subtract his real score with his wished score. That is 10,000 minus 6,980. That come out to be 3,020 runs. Okay. Moving on to the next question. It says, question number 3, it says that in an election, the successful candidates registered as 5,77,500 votes, and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. Rival means the one who is standing against us or who is standing with us. Okay, so these are the number of the votes the rival person will get, and these are the votes that the successful candidates will get. By what margin did the successful candidates win the election? You have to find out by how many votes the candidates won. So these are the winning votes and these are the losing votes. The votes the rival secured, and these are the votes that the successful candidates secured. So what we're going to do, we're going to do the subtraction here. The number of the votes secured by the successful candidates is equal to 5,77,500, and the number of the votes secured by his nearest rival is equal to 3,40,700. So we're going to do the subtraction here, and the answer will come out to be 2,28,800. These are the number of the candidates that remain in the margin. Okay, reading out question number 4, it says Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of the June, and books rupees 4,768 in the second week of the June. These are the amount that the Kirti bookstore earned in the month of June and in the first week of the June and in the second week of this month, that is June. Okay, so how much they earned in the first week? 2,85,891, and in the second week they earned 4,768 in the second week. So what we have to find, how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? for together it has been asked. That means we have to do the addition here. So when we add, the result come out to be 6,86,659. We add both the sale of the books together, and the result come out to be 6,86,659. Then the question says that in which week was the sale greater and by how much? In which week? That is either in the first week or in the second week. So it has been very much clear that in the second week of June, uh, the book sale was highest, and by how much? For that you have to do the subtraction. This is how much less than this. That is what you have to find out. So you will do the subtraction, and it will come out to be 1,14,877. I hope this question is clear to you now. Moving on to the next question. So reading out question number 5, it says find the difference between the greatest and the least number. You have to find out the difference. That means you have to do the subtraction part here. You have to find out the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits. Using these 5 digits, you have to form the greatest number and the least number. For the greatest number, you will arrange the digits in the descending order. For the least number, you will arrange the digits in an ascending order. So the highest number here will be 76,432, and the least number here will be 23,467. So when you do the subtraction part here, you will get the result equal to 52,965. For difference, you will going to do the subtraction. Okay. Question number 6 says a machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. There is a machine, and by using that machine, how many screws can be prepared in one day? 2,825 screws can be prepared in a one day. How many screws did it produce in the month of the Jan? If it can produce 2,825 screws in a day, then how many screws it will prepare in the month of January? In the month of January, I know in the month of January there are total 31 days. How many days? 31 days. So in one day this much, so in 31 days I will go to do the multiplication. Okay. So whenever less quantity is given and the highest more quantity is asked, we always multiply. That is a unitary method. While moving from less to more, we always multiply, and while moving from more to less, we always divide. So the result come out to be 87,575. I hope students these questions are clear to you now. So please practice these questions. In the next class, we will be moving to the next questions. Bye.